Okay, let me show you in this video how you can share both your webcam and your screen live to the Google AI and get it to respond with a talking AI. So everything that I'm going to be showing you in this video is going to be completely free, and we're going to be using the AI Studio from Google. So the link that you want to go to is aistudio.google.com. And when you go ahead and do that, you'll be taken to this website right here. There are a bunch of different things you can do here. You can generate media such as videos or images. You can also go ahead and build stuff. So this is for programming and stuff like that. And you can stream here, which is what we're going to be doing. You can do chat as well. And I'm pretty sure a bunch of these are free as well. But we are going to be showing you the stream feature. As you can see, this is more of a developer side of the website, meaning that you have a lot more granular control over what you want to do. You can, for example, choose how long the session context should be, basically meaning how long you want the AI to remember stuff, and you can go ahead and change those parameters here. You can also go ahead and test out different voice models and see which one sounds the best. You can do different media resolutions, and everything is adjustable. So you can do your webcam as well. So this might be useful if you, for example, are showing it a bunch of different things and wanted to categorize them, or for example, that you have a paper and you want to show it in a problem and you don't really want to take a photo because you have a bunch of different problems you want to show it, then this webcam feature works really well. There is a talk feature as well, but that one, in my opinion, is not as impressive because other chatbots such as ChatGPT have been able to do that for quite a long time now. So yeah, let's go ahead and test the share screen option right here. When you go ahead and click on it, you can get some different options here. You can either just do the Chrome tab, just do your window, or do your entire screen. So yeah, I guess I'm just going to go ahead and choose my entire screen here. And after you have chosen it, you can simply go ahead and click on share right here. It might ask you if you want to give access to your microphone and stuff like that, but yeah, you can pretty much go ahead and do that. I tried to start one here, but I got an error, so let's go ahead and see if I can retry this. Whenever I try to start this, I seem to get an issue saying that something went wrong, but I have previously done this and I do know that it works. I don't really know what's going on here. Maybe I'm hitting some sort of API limit that I have used it a bit too much. But if you're using this for the first time, you shouldn't really be having the issue that I'm having right now. But yeah, when you go ahead and do that, then you can pretty much do the same thing on your screen, but instead of having to show it your webcam. So if you, for example, have a bunch of different math problems on your screen and you want the AI to help you, but you don't want it to give you the answer straight away, but you want to have a back and forth discussion that you would with, for example, a real teacher, then this feature is going to be really, really good to be able to help you in real time. So yeah, I will leave a link to this website in the description, or you can just go ahead and type in the URL yourself and go ahead and give this AI a try. So yeah, if this video did help you out, then don't forget to leave a like and maybe even subscribe to the channel.